AI as a thing that is going to eliminate your team. I think that there's a much more positive framing here is the business is going to grow 30% next year. You are all amazing agents and we want to retain you and we want to upskill you. So we want to move you away from doing, password reset or what are the answering, what are the hours of operations? Or can you tell me the status of my order type questions, kind of the tier 1 type cases. AI can handle a lot of those. Like that is what AI is like just natively very good at. And we want to, upskill you as agents into the more critical thinking, higher empathy type cases. And I think that is really like the strategy for how you deliver a message to your team where AI no longer seems scary. It more seems like it's creating an opportunity for you to grow in your career as a support agent. And ultimately kind of move from like a customer service rep to much more of like an account manager or a support engineer who's getting more into the weeds and doing more critical thinking type tasks.